this tutorial, let's learn about the application software. So application software is a set of instructions designed to perform a specific task. These softwares are developed to help users perform their work more efficiently. So application softwares are designed to perform specific tasks. So there are different types of application softwares. So the first category is general purpose softwares, application software. So the software that is developed by keeping in mind the general needs of a larger number of people is called a general purpose application software. So general purpose application softwares are mainly developed for a large group of people, so whoever requires the software can use them. It can be used for a variety of tasks and not limited to perform a particular function. So it can be used for various purposes. So different types of general purpose application softwares are like word processing softwares, presentation softwares like PowerPoint, spreadsheet like Excel, database Microsoft Access, Oracle, then web design like Adobe Dreamweaver, Web Studio, then desktop publishing. These are Adobe InDesign, and graphic softwares like Adobe Photoshop. So these are the different types of softwares which come under the application software general purpose application software. The next is special purpose. So special purpose application softwares are those softwares which are designed according to specific needs of the organization or an individual. So an organization or an individual asks the developer to design a software according to their needs. So in this way these softwares are prepared. For example, a factory may require software to run robots to make cars. Hence, softwares must be designed for this task. So, specific job is there for the robot. Okay. So, in this way, the programs are done. The next topic is programming languages. So, programming languages. So, a set of step-by-step instructions come to the computer is called a program. This process is called programming. A person who writes a program is called a programmer. Programming languages are classified as follows. So the first one is first generation language used by machine. The next one is second generation language used assembly language. The next is third generation language used language similar to English. The next fourth generation language are user friendly, and last one is fifth generation language are more advanced and developed to solve problems without a programmer. So here using machine language means zeros and ones. The next second generation language use mnemonic codes. So these codes used in place of zeros and ones and made programming somewhat easier than this first generation language. Then the third generation language are the languages like Fortran, Basic. So these languages are machine independent and referred to as high level language. So high level language starts from the third generation. The next is SQL, Nomad. So this comes under the fourth generation language, which are more user friendly. Then the last one is fifth generation language. So are more advanced and developed to solve problems without a programmer. So without a programmer, the problems can be solved. So these visual programming languages are also known as natural languages. The fifth generation language provides a graphical interface called a visual programming environment for creating source code. So visual programming environment is used for creating codes. So it allows people to interact with the computer without the need for any specialized knowledge. So here the examples are Prolog, Mercury, and so on. So that much for this tutorial. Thank you.